Welcome to Royal Secret. Rumors are circulating about the royal family over the validity of Lilibet Diana Mountbatten Windsor's birth certificate, and what implications there would be there on Meghan Markle. It is rumored there is a potential wear in disowning Markle and her title on grounds of a forged birth certificate. What such a move would imply and how realistic such a move is. The discovery of a forged birth certificate could have sweeping implications, beyond embarrassment. It could amount to a move taken with intent to defraud the population and maybe even manipulate proceedings. It would amount to a breach in trust and a disregard in precedent on the behalf of the royal family who need the population to trust them and respect precedent. The disowning on behalf of Markle would undoubtedly cause even greater publicity and backlash. It would amount to a vindictive and extreme move and could serve to engender even greater criticism and backlash. The disowning would cast a greater glare on paperwork around Lilibet's birth and other items about the state of play in the relations between the Sussexes and the remainder of the family. It could engender even greater rumors and hearsay, and pressure on all concerned. The disowning would irretrievably damage already strained relations between the remainder of the family and the Sussexes. It could engender a future repair even worse and engender resentment. The legal implications in a forged birth certificate could be substantial and could see investigation and penalties. If proven, and in particular involvement on behalf of Markle, could damage her reputation and position even worse. Such a move would set a precedent in removing titles and would raise eyebrows about other members in the family who would fall in and out of favor. The rumors are interesting, but we need to assess possibilities on such a move on the part of King Charles and removing titles on behalf of Meghan. Various elements would play a role in such a move. The move would undoubtedly rely on validity and quality on behalf of a forged birth certificate. Without hard information, there is little hope such a move would be made. The family would undoubtedly get counsel on what the implications would be in a legal matter and how such a move would fit within legality. The family is determined on keeping with tradition but is not in denial about what is considered in the eyes of the masses. The family would undoubtedly consider how the move would sit with the masses and how such a move would harm the institution even worse. There is a reported need on behalf of King Charles in mending the broken relationship with Harry and Meghan. Losing titles would represent a step back in hope in such a move and something he would not necessarily choose. The rumors on behalf of Lilibet and her birth certificate are notable and would play a wide-reaching role within the institution on behalf of Meghan Markle. Although there is a risk she would have titles removed, such a move is something we are not going to witness without a considerable amount of hard information and close monitoring on what would transpire. The move would represent a significant move with a wide-reaching role on the family and would only under extreme pressure. Thanks everyone for watching.